How to use the magic box in InVideo AI. I like to have control over anything I create. So this box was a mystery for me. I didn't know what I should do with it. In InVideo AI, you get a full video created by the AI. If it's a good video, it's a discussion for another time. But in this video, I want to understand what you can write in the box and how it will fix the video. First, you need to create the video itself. You can use the prompt editor to create a prompt, and I made another video dedicated to this, so watch that. After creating the video, you need to think about whether you want to change something. The idea of making a video without knowing how to edit does not always give you the best results. However, for some people that can work, and making a lot of video can be very expensive. Think of the magic box as your editor, and you need to give it instructions. The magic box works like ChatGPT, but the actions are not in another text. It's changing the video itself. Every aspect of the video can be changed, starting with changing the whole video. Just ask it to create another version of the video. You can ask it to change things inside the video. For example, you can ask it to change the music. It will choose the music for you. Be clear about what genre of the music or which mood you'd like the music to convey. You can go to the edit music and see in the library what moods and genre they have there, specifically from Storyblock, where the premium music is sourced. Then you can add that prompt to the magic box. You can also ask it to mix the music with AI voiceover. Just give it instructions to make it louder or softer. If you don't like the AI voice, you can change it there. The only thing is that you really need to know what you should ask for. So if you're not sure, you can open a new video creation page on another web page and open one of the prompt editor. Look for the options of the language accent in the list. Copy it and add that to the magic box on the video you want to change the AI voice. Next, you also have text on the screen. You can ask it to change the design of the titles. Because you can't change the design yourself, you have to use the magic box. If you don't know what to ask the AI to do for you, you can go to the first page where you created the new video, open the prompt helper, and find the subtitle. There you have a list of things you can change about the title design, and you can get from there what you can ask the magic box. You can also add or remove titles in the video, or change the size and position of the title only using the magic box. Another example is a script. You can ask the magic box to change the script in a specific place in the video if you don't like it. Just ask in the specific scene what you want to change and let the AI know what you want to change. Place a cursor in the video preview window on the point of the video you want to change, and then ask the magic box to change that specific part of the video to something else, whether it's the video or whether it's the script. In the magic box, you can also give it a URL. Just write what you would like to take from that URL, and you can add the information from the URL to the video script. Think of ways to make your script better. What is missing? Do you want it to be funnier or very serious? Because you have limitation for iStock videos, you can ask the magic box to reduce or not use any iStock videos. And of course, you can also ask it to change the clips in the video to something else. There are some things you can't change in the edit window, and you need to ask the magic box to do it for you. One of these is changing the aspect ratio. Another example is to ask it to change the pace of the video to be faster or slower. Although you can change the language in the video, the magic box understands only English as far as I know. Overall, the magic box is a very cute idea. But now you might ask yourself, what if I want to edit things myself? So you can choose from different options if the magic box is not doing what you ask it for, or if you are free control. Watch this video to learn how to edit the video yourself. Subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next video.